Welcome to the Hansley Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Wednesday, April 25th, 2012. For the markets, the S&P 500 future saw a high of the day of 1387.75 and a low of the day of 1380.25. We closed at 1387.25. Today's volume was 1.8 million contracts, in line with the 20-day moving average. For the Nasdaq future, we saw a high of the day of 2706.75 and a low of the day of 2686. We closed at 2704.25. The volume was 340,000 contracts, higher than the 20-day moving average of 285,000 contracts. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange Advanced Decline Differential closed at 1,583. The Nasdaq Advanced Decline Differential closed at 1,162. There were 36 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 3 new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. For the volatility, there were 287,000 contracts traded today on the VIX and 44 million traded on the premiums. For May, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio was 1.65 and it had 35% of the total premiums paid. For June, we saw a 1.25 dollar-weighted put-call ratio with 21% of the total premiums paid. Okay, here we have the daily chart for ES. So you can see here we had a big update today. We saw a high of 1387.75 and we opened at 1370.25. We closed at almost the high, so it was a pretty good day. Almost 17 handles for the day, which is very positive. As you can see here, the CI now turned green. We're on positive 1.5 around. So it's good. We were able to break the 0-sig line on the ES daily chart, which is very positive. On the moving averages, so you can see here we went through the 50, the 10, and the 20-day moving average, which was very good. We need to see some continuation here. We're on the upper range of this bound that we have been for the last couple of weeks. So a break above 1390 would be very bullish for the market. Above that, we'll probably go and test the highs. Below, we're looking at the resistance at 1377, which is the 15-day moving average. 50-day moving average. So those are the two numbers that we're looking at. Earnings have been very good. That's why the market has been rallying so much. For gold, we had a big reversal for gold intraday again. That was the same for a day, a week ago or so. We were down today and we basically finished 2 points higher, which is not good, but it looks pretty much like a hammer here. So you could see here we're now testing the 10-day moving average, and the 20-day moving average is pretty close. So again, we have some resistance at the 1650 level, 51 level. That's the 20-day moving average. Above that, we could go and test the 100-day moving average of 1679, but still momentum looks to the downside at the 1613 and then the 1600 level. Maybe finish some consolidation we've been doing here and then take the next move. For silver, we had a down day today, but still again a big reversal on the silver. Finished only 0.17 down, basically flat, nothing much. We did break the lows that we made 2 days ago. Still, we touched 30 and bounced back, which was very bullish for that 30 level. We'll see if it holds. We're gonna have to take that level, the 30 level, and trade against it on the downside. Maybe against the 30 to the 32 level would be a nice trading range for silver right now. Breaking that would take us either to the 26 level or above. We have to break a lot of levels to get higher prices from here on the silver. For the bonds today, as you can see here, we were down 0.31%, not much, but we were able to break the 10-day moving average with it close basically at it. So kind of bearish for the bonds right now, but still we are near the highs here. We need to continue to see if we're able to break lower and maybe test the 200-day moving average around 38.5. So we'll see what happens here with the bonds. And last, for the VIX, today we had a big down day today on the VIX. We broke the range, the lower side of the range, which was the 50-day moving average. We're now trading at 1682, which is low. Maybe we're gonna go and test those lows of 14 and 15. Maybe not make new lows, but stay on a low volatility environment while the market rallies. So I'll be checking for a lower volatility while the market rallies further and we see good earnings like we've been watching so far. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.